my god. Someone left the quarter. Probably have to go to Kroger for eggs. Roasted. Peanuts are a must. You ever had these?
This is done from you before.
Must. Good morning. So today we're at Aldi. We got a shopping list going, and we're meal prepping. Right now we're getting snacks. Not really part of the meal prep, but you need snacks to survive, in my opinion. Keep you sane. So, but we're only meal prepping lunch and dinner. So let's go. So we're gonna get some English muffins. Should I get 2 or 1?
Grab 2.
Let's make this the bread box. Light stuff. Strawberries. We need fruit. Spinach. Should brought 10.
For what?
What is this?
That is nothing.
Okay. Same size. So we're going with the bag.
Guess we're going with the bag. The bag. How's the cart looking, guys? How's the cart looking? We got a little bit of everything, some breakfast, some snacks, veggies, fruit, vegetables, proteins. Yep.
3?
Yep. Yeah. It is good.
Garbanzos. So when we planned out the meal prep, we found a bunch of recipes that use the same ingredients, so it's easier, and we can just buy. That's why we have so many like garbanzo beans and black beans, and that's where we're gonna get like most of our protein and most of the benefits.
Yeah,
2, 4, 6.
2, 4.
I wanna know where the black olives are.
Check out the YouTube channel, man. I said, feel free to check out the YouTube channel.
What's the YouTube channel?
It's TF Now.
TF Now. Am I gonna be famous?
Huh?
Am I gonna be famous?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So guys, we actually still have one more stop. Our way to Kroger.
So we're in the second shopping store, and this time we are here to just pick up some more fruit, some things that the other shopping store didn't have, and we're gonna go back home. We're gonna throw everything together. We're gonna see what we come out with. We're gonna be using the fruits for our smoothies, more breakfast foods that we make, and also those smoothies. Really good when you know how to use the right fruit.